If you missed our art lesson today, no problem, it's all right here. Today we're going to be looking at the art of Jane Perkins. She's a found object artist. Jane Perkins finds both inspiration and materials in found objects, using anything from toys, shells, buttons, beads, and jewelry as materials to create her reinterpreted masterpieces. Perkins states that she doesn't add any color. Her work comes out of spontaneously placed small pieces of the right size and shape. Perkins says, "I'm a remaker, taking inspiration from found objects and working them into something new. I love art with an element of fun and the unexpected, and hope my work will make you smile." So how are we going to get started? First, I think it would really benefit you if you go back and look carefully at the pictures I selected of Jane Perkins' artwork. Kind of see what kind of materials she uses and how she places them strategically. Once you have looked at her artwork, go ahead and find your own found materials. Your found objects can be found inside your house or even outside. Ask your parent before using any materials that aren't yours. And once you have your objects, find or draw an image that you want to recreate. Once you have your found objects, you're going to want to use probably cardboard for a base so you can glue it on. Hot glue might even be a great option for this. I used bottle caps in this bird, but you can use whatever you can find. Let's go over some things to remember. Planning is key here. So make sure you look over the images that I showed you of Jane Perkins. Kind of get some inspiration, and then start looking for an image or thinking of an image you want to recreate. I would start by drawing your image onto your cardboard and blocking it out almost like a coloring book page. That way you can just add the colors into your design as needed. Make it detailed. Try to use those pieces of found objects to create things that really bring us in to make it look real. The bigger the better. It's going to be easier to create your found object piece if you use large objects. If you can't find objects inside your house, go outside. Pick leaves, grass, dandelions, sticks, and arrange them in a way that creates something new, like the picture here on the right. And lastly, if you want to arrange them and take a picture, you can avoid gluing the objects down and put them back if your parents don't want you to glue them down. Here are some examples. You can make these 3D if you'd like as well, making a structure and covering it with found objects. It might take you a little while to find all your objects, so don't think that you have to finish this today. It could be a project that you work on over the week. I hope you liked the project. Can't wait to see your finished pieces.